Most park bicycle stands, in fact, most bicycle repair stands in general are designed to grab a bicycle by the seat post. And although that holds the bike if you're working on drivetrain and stuff like that, if you want to work on the fork or whatever, it quickly becomes pretty unmanageable. It's very difficult to flip the bike upside down. So what I've done is I've added a link here that attaches to a stock park stand, and it incorporates another pivot. And with this, it enables you to go ahead and position the bike at whatever height you'd like, number one, and more importantly, number two, it centers the center of gravity of the bike much closer to the center of the bike stand than you would normally see. Once you've got it on the stand, you pretty much use it as usual, set any height you want. Plus, you've also got the ability to crank the bike upside down if, say, you want to do some fork work without taking the fork off the bike. This particular situation, you can go ahead and lower the front end, and that way you can get to the fork legs easier and do bleeding or whatever you want to do there. If you're dealing with electric bikes or something like that, it really helps get the thing up in the air to have the gear reduction. Anyway, this is something someone could do to their own stand if they are proficient mechanically. I'd show it off. Here's a close-up video to let you get a peek of how I did this. Basically, I took the park clamp arm off of the park head, added this missing link, if you want to call it that, and made a receiver that the park clamp arm can go into. You loosen this and you can swivel it whatever angle you want. And we've got this gear reduction unit here, which enables you to raise and lower the bike, or invert it, or put it in whatever position you want to. That's it.